What is up, everybody? My name is Cam. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Tonight, we are here at the Gaylord Palms Resort here in Orlando, Florida, just off of Disney property. We are going to be doing a staycation here. So I will give you a full room tour in this video, as well as a full resort tour and all of their Christmas decorations, because
they're so pretty.
It's beautiful here. This is one of my favorite resorts here. I have stayed here before.
I have too.
Emily has.
But not for Christmas time.
I honestly didn't think you had stayed here before. I have never stayed here for Christmas time, but in my next video we are going to do their I Love Christmas movie event, which looks amazing, and I can't wait to go to it. So with that being said, let's get on to this resort tour. So to start off our room tour here at the Gaylord, when we enter our room, to the right here is a closet with hangers and ironing board here. Place for your luggage there. Normally there is a safe in here. Oh, a little iron right there for you. I do not see a safe. But when we turn around, here to the left is the bathroom with two sinks right here and a huge mirror. What's up, everyone? How you doing? And as you turn around, there is a shower. Very nice shower. The shower here comes with soap inside on these pump bottles, just like they do at Disney resorts, and also comes with a little seat here so you can sit down and shower. And obviously next to the shower is a toilet. And back to the giant mirror here, which is really cool with the lights going all the way around the mirror. Once again, two sinks right there. Your towels are right down there. Comes with some artwork in the corner right here, but eventually gets blocked out by the door. Coming out of the bathroom here, you have a huge space right here for all of your luggage. Nothing else really here in this corner. But once you turn around and come out of the bathroom, like I said, another huge mirror. Again, what's up, everyone? How you doing? Like the video. And then you come around the corner here, and here is our king-size bed with tables on each side of the bed. Now, I've never stayed in a hotel room with a king-size bed, but this thing is massive, guys, massive. Here on the wall is some more decorative art, as well as your typical thermostat, and here is a little dial for the fan. So you just twist this thing right here, and the fan turns on, which is pretty cool. And the little numbers on here are to set the speed for your fan. Right across from the king bed here is our TV and your little dresser. Now the cool thing about this dresser is that these look like drawers here, but you know, opens up to a mini fridge. And oh look, here is our safe here that I thought was gonna be in the closet, but turns out it is above the fridge. Now close these. Obviously all of these right here do become drawers. So the first two rows here are drawers. This one right here is a door, kind of for your mini fridge. And obviously you have your TV with your remote that has a Netflix button right here, so you can watch Netflix in the comfort of your own hotel room. Now, off from the TV here is another giant mirror right above of the desk, and right there, actually my YouTube video is playing. I was trying to make sure if everything came out okay. If you guys have not, go check out my last video of me doing my top 5 rides here at Hollywood Studios. I will leave that link above and down below as well. But back to the room tour. So desk here, very nice. It comes with your typical outlets, you know, 3 outlets here, USB, internet, which is very nice. Next to that is a coffee maker, and in here, if you open it up, looks like they got some coffee cups, and some tea. Back over on the other side of the bed, you have a nice chair here. Obviously another side table next to the bed, a pretty big lamp right here, and then obviously you have your door to your balcony. And guys, our view is amazing. Let's go check it out. So here is the view from our balcony here at the Gaylord Palms Resort. We are in the main atrium on the St. Augustine side, and obviously you guys can hear right now there's currently a Christmas show going on down there, right underneath the giant Christmas tree. I think that is a ticketed event, so obviously we will not be going to that tonight, but this view is spectacular, especially with the sunset right now. Now, I was gonna say this in the beginning of the video, but special thanks to the Gaylord Palms Resort for having us out tonight. I'm just kidding. I wish I was that cool. Maybe one day. I just want to kind of throw that in there to be funny. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you guys are new here, my channel is all about theme parks and travel. Now, right now, I have only done theme park videos and I think 2 resort videos, this one and then my stay at the Polynesian Resort. But eventually I do want to get into travel and travel around the world and take you guys with me. So hopefully very, very soon we get to do that. Now, this was kind of a last minute stay here at the Gaylord Palms Resort because we were actually supposed to go to New York City and see all the Christmas stuff there and enjoy New York City. But with all the lockdowns going on up there and the potential quarantine if we had to come, well, when we came back, and now that there's potential huge snowstorms there, we obviously did not go, which is very sad. We were looking forward to it, and I was looking forward to bringing you guys along. But now we get to enjoy the beautiful Gaylord Palms Resort and do the I Love Christmas Movies event. So the Gaylord Palms currently has a deal going on that with your stay, you get 2 free tickets included to the I Love Christmas Movies event, which is why we kind of booked a room here, because we were looking forward to that event, and a single ticket was kind of expensive if you want to do everything. But because it was included in our room, we booked it immediately because this looks like it's such an awesome event, and I'm so looking forward to showing you guys all of that in my next video. If you guys haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell to get notified whenever I post, so you guys can be alerted when I post the I Love Christmas Movies video. Back out here on the balcony overlooking the main atrium, I think it's time we go take a little tour around the resort to show you guys all that the Gaylord Palms has to offer. We are currently out here out front of the Gaylord Palms Resort before we go in and do the resort tour. The outside here is absolutely beautiful with this fountain. Now the fountain's not working right now, but with this big old sign that says Gaylord Palms and welcomes you to the resort. Now let's head on inside to do that resort tour. Here we are in the main lobby, and the entrance has 2 big candy canes, and off to the right is check-in, where we checked in earlier. And now as we make our way into the main atrium, you can hear Christmas music going on because there's currently a show going on behind the Christmas tree. So here at the Gaylord Palms Resort, there is a little gator exhibit here with little baby alligators, if you guys can see. There's a lot of gators. There's currently one swimming in the water. Uh-oh, is he going for the turtle? So, off to the left by the gators is this kind of fort-looking area, and we can go up to the top to look out all over the atrium. So let's go up there and check that out. As we head upstairs, the Christmas lights are going off, so this is gonna be a super cool thing to see. So here we are on top of the atrium, and the Christmas tree is all lit up here and it looks beautiful. But like I said, you're literally in the middle of the atrium and can look all over the resort as you are right under the glass ceiling in the middle. Look how cool, a little seat with some snowmen on it. Looks like Emily made some friends. I'll leave you here, I'm gonna go do the rest of the tour.
Okay, bye.
As we're walking into the main atrium, over here to the left is the marketplace corner where you can get your quick treats and all that. And here to the right is the Cocoa Bean, which is basically a Starbucks where you can get those coffees. I'm probably gonna need one tomorrow morning. We are here in the shop area, and right down there is where we're gonna go for the I Love Christmas Movies event, but I will save that for tomorrow's video. But guys, look at this kind of cool area we have. Now, not all of these stores are open, but if you give this number a call and you're staying here, they will come and personally open the shop for you, which I think is a pretty cool thing to do. So we are walking out of the elevators, and as you can see off to our left is the Key West area. Let's go down there and see all of the decorations. So over here in the Key West area, that boat right there is actually a restaurant. Now, unfortunately, I do not believe it is open, so we cannot eat there, but this area is very, very beautiful. Now, as we come outside these doors out here, we are on the outside patio here, and it looks like, there's some AstroTurf out there, a nice little kind of hangout area. A fireplace over there, if you guys can see. And then over here, where the blue umbrellas are, that is Wrecker's Sports Bar. The Key West Atrium is very, very small, so now we are making our way back to the Main Atrium. But the cool thing about the Gaylord Resort during Christmas right now is that they have all these kind of little hidden Christmas decorations. As you can see, for Auntie Who is right there. There's little Grinch stuff all there, because in this restaurant right here, you can feast with the Grinch, which is a super cool offering here. And Max, that is very cool. Feasting with the Grinch costs adults $45 plus tax, and children's ages 4 to 12, $25 plus tax, which is not that bad for character dining. And like I said, when you walk around Gaylord Palms, there are these really cool Christmas decorations. Like, look, you can sit inside of a present.
Yay!
Here is the other side of the little hangout area with that fireplace and the blue umbrellas, because Wrecker's Sports Bar is just right there. So as we are walking down to the Everglades, there's something cool at the bottom under this bridge that I'm going to show you guys. Now, the Gaylord does have these nice hand sanitizer things outside of the elevator so that you can sanitize your hands and stay clean and healthy. So down here at the bottom is the spa here at the Gaylord Palms, but that's not what I was going to show you. What I was going to show you is right over here. So here in the Everglades Atrium is the Sawgrass place, which the sign says beware of gators and snakes. I know right here is a little grunt, which is a little baby gator, as you guys can see.
Oh my god.
There he is. You see him?
He's a little nugget.
A little baby gator. And around the corner, there are two sitting on top of each other.
Huge.
There's two of them. Look at that, sitting on top of each other. So let's enter here and check it out. Emily, are you coming or no?
I don't want to.
Okay, you don't have to. You can stay right there. You can go around. She's not a big fan of snakes. Here is the Florida king snake. Right there, guys. Down here is the Everglades rat snake. You guys can see it. Can't really see its head. Oh, it's all the way in there if you guys can see it. Here is the corn snake, or rather known as the red rat snake. Right in there, as you guys can see. This little hut kind of thing is kind of cool. It's like, very Everglades themed. Outside here, once you walk outside, there are normally some animals right here, but unfortunately these are closed right now and no animals here. So here in the Everglades Atrium is the arcade in there, which looks like it has some really, really cool games. But out here to the left is the pool/water park. So here's the water park here with all of their slides, the pool. As you guys can see, there's a flow rider back there and the huge TV screen out there that plays movies at night. Now, the Gaylord Resorts do have multiple locations. Obviously here in Orlando, the National Harbor, which is in Washington, D.C., Nashville, Texas, and Colorado. Now, I have stayed at the Tennessee one as well as the National Harbor one in Washington, D.C., and overall, Tennessee is my favorite. So we are currently back in the room. We just had pizza downstairs in the main lobby, but we are back in the room because we're gonna go out on the balcony, because in the main atrium, they show off a Christmas projection with a bunch of lights on the Christmas tree, as well as the lights that were dangling down. That starts in a few minutes, so let's head out on the balcony and go check that out. I love doing these resort tours for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. Want to do more of them, obviously, because, you know, my pass in a couple of days for Disney is going to be blocked out, so it'll basically be, I don't know what kind of videos I'm going to do, but have some cool ones coming up this coming week. Obviously, I will be doing a lot of Universal, probably, especially with the Velocicoaster up and running. It's not open, but they're doing a bunch of test runs, so you can expect me to be at Universal a lot. That is going to be it for our room tour and resort tour here at the Gaylord Palms Resort. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun putting it together for you guys. I'm super excited to stay here. I know Emily is as well. Now, this was a short video because tonight, well, not for you guys, but tonight we are going to the I Love Christmas movie event here at the Gaylord Palms Resort, which that will be in my next video. So, if you guys want to be notified on that, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Thank you all for watching and for all of the love. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.